Okay, wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. This is Chukwameka, the host of Namen TV. Well, I want to air my own opinion on the recent sagas concerning KC Limpopo, the Ojazi, and the Oja Piano. First of all, before I proceed, I must talk about the OJA instrument or the musical instrument. OJA musical instrument has been an integral part of the Igbo people. I mean, when it comes to music, OJA has played a very significant role in the Igbo heritage right from time immemorial. Having said that, now my opinion about the sagas concerning Casey and the young boy who played the instrumental, the Oja instrumental. I am not here to cajole any person to go out of his way to do whatever. I believe this race is a personal race. You understand? You do what pleases you, and provided your conscience and your lifestyle matches what you're doing, definitely you go ahead. But what I want to talk about is the Oja. Now, we are in the 21st century where there is this cultural awareness. Every person is culturally aware, also culturally conscious. The Igbo people, for so long, we have neglected, we have chased after foreign cultures, neglecting our rich heritage, our own. It has, you can, I mean, it has cut across both in our fashion sense, in our foods, in our, I mean, social lives, religion, and what have you. But now we are in the era of social media where a little information can be passed, and somewhere in faraway Australia, New Zealand can, I mean, watch and really pick a thing or two from what you display using your social media handle. So right now, that is why I said we are now culturally conscious than we used to be, than we were when there was no speed information. So, having said this, the Oja playing a very significant role in our musical experiments or musical revolution now should be encouraged. First of all, I must give it up to Casey and Kola Boy. You all know Kola Boy, the fast rising Igbo artist who is really on his own without any sign on, without any big names behind him pushing him. He's doing marvelously well promoting Igbo culture. I am not the kind of person that I used to be 4 years ago, 5 years ago. You understand? When I was influenced by foreign cultures and stuff. But now I am more aware. I am more conscious about my own culture, Igbo. And everything that I do gears towards promoting this particular culture. And I am using every media. I am using every medium to tell the world this is who I am. You get? So the Oja has come to stay. Thank you. Why I said thank you to KC is for him and Kola Boy to thought it wise to infuse this beautiful tune into their music, this beautiful instrumental into their music. They deserve kudos because the rest of the world is now appreciating us for what we are bringing out, for what we are giving back to the world, our own. when Igbo people say "Nka bụ nke anyị," it means this is our own. The pianos, the trumpets, the xylophones, they are all great. But Oja, that beautiful tone, that beautiful sound that you hear, that you keep hearing on Isakaba for color piano, on Oja piano, definitely it should be encouraged. So that is why I'm making this video, to encourage more people to use this sound. More people I know. So now, coming to the area where Casey has been called out numerous times for not projecting, for not bringing this guy, I mean, this Jazzy out in order to, I mean, promote him to the world. Well, I have this to say about that. For me, what I will do if I were Casey, I will bring this boy, make a video, and tell the world, this is so person. In order to promote, while you are promoting this young man, it takes nothing, definitely, because social media is a place we can make a start today. What happened to LP? The LP guy. You remember the LP guy? What happened to him? What happened to him was total the power of social media. LP 71, UB 72, KRNK, and all the rest of it, and it blew. The guy now is a superstar, going to shows, meeting top people like he was there before. That is what it is. It takes nothing. It takes absolutely nothing. So, and Casey being a very big artist who has influence, who has been there, definitely it won't take him anything. Even though it takes him to sign this young boy into his platform, 5-Star Music, if he's still there, I don't know. It takes nothing. So this is where I am coming from, because it takes just a night, a day for this guy to be nationwide, and even our Yoruba counterparts in the music industry can still adopt this. If we can adopt foreign musical instruments and instrumentalists, definitely. What happens to Oja? Oja should be global. Even I expect artists like Burna Boy to invite one of these Oja players, anybody, but let it be Oja. Oja Ndi IGBO is there playing very well. This Ojazi is there playing. So we are crafting a new dimension of musical instruments, our own, what we are proud of, the Igbo people. I am Igbo-centric. I am conscious about my identity right now. So we must use every angle, every medium to promote our beautiful culture, everything that comes from us. So that is the way. The Englishmen left all the way England down here, give us their culture, their religion, their food, everything, even their, come on. I mean, give us their language. And here I am speaking English. Why I'm speaking this English is to gain a broader audience. Yeah, but normally I was speaking Igbo. But then, Igbo to the world. Let the consciousness sink. This is me again, Chukwemeka, the host of Namen TV and also the Unify Igbo's non-proponents. Keep following me on this page, Namen TV. Keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, Namen TV, TikTok, Namen TV, Instagram, and Namen TV, Twitter, Namen TV. Thank you and have a blessed day.